Good day, my fellow audiences and guests. My name is Luski, and I will introduce a series of lithium battery tools. The first one is the lithium battery angle grinder, which has two main usages. One is grinding and another one is cutting. Same as before, I will introduce its key features first. This tool's volt is set in 18 volts. It has a portable lithium battery with a capacity of 2000 mAh. This one is portable lithium battery. Its rate is from 0 to 8600 RPM. Besides, this tool also has body-friendly designations like soft rubber grinder for your hands healthy, spindle lock, and aluminum gearbox for thermal releasing. As I have said previously, this tool has two main ways for usage. One is cutting and another one is smoothing. To match these two different usages, it has two different types of discs. One is thinner, also called saw disc, and another one is thicker, the grinding discs, both with a diameter of 115 millimeter. Okay, let's have more details. First, let's have a comparison. This one is traditional protect, and this one is new protect. Why this is called traditional? Because we must use screwdriver to lose it first, and then we can turn its angle. However, for this new one, we can just turn its angle with our hand, like this one. Very convenient. Let's go back. And then, for another new thing is this specific protect. This one can be assembled to its protect rod. Okay, get thicker for the cutting mold. And it will become much safer, because we all know that when it's in cutting mode, it will be much dangerous. But currently, when we use the specific protective overcoat, it will protect our hand from bleeding. Besides, I will introduce this lithium battery. This lithium battery is portable and I have about 2000 mAh. And then this button is for turn on and turn off. It's very easy to operate. First of all, we need to press this button and push it up, and it will be turned on. Later, when we want to shut it down, we just need to press this button back and it will be shut down.